Oh, that's so good. I haven't been able to do that for about 10 years. Can I get your card?
I think Poriru is a bit far from the UK.
I'll come back. Gee. I'm like an owl. I've already got words for that person.
Mate,
It was amazing.
it's better than amazing. It's one of the best experiences I've ever had, I think. Thank you very
Right.
much. Holy crap.
You did really well.
That was amazing.
20 years I played professional cricket. I've been to all the spas, all the best, you know, physios in the whole world. I have never had a, whatever that's called, experience, all told, body and mind and cleanse and whatever, like that in my life. Thank you.
She's like
Amazing.
special powers or something.
It was amazing, guys. For a start, I've had this dodgy ankle, haven't I?
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, and it feels so much better. It was just my back, my neck. Look, I could turn myself right round. And also, she touched my jaw, and she's gone, oh, wow.
Eyesight's been getting weak too because of this.
Yeah. Because I had been wearing like 1.5s or something, you know, just to read and everything.
Yeah.
And she went right in there like that. And honestly, I feel like my eyes are wide open and clear.
Yeah. Oh, I don't doubt it for a second. Hey, people probably think I'm absolutely wacky here, but...
If they do, go and have a midi-midi with that lady there, and I can guarantee you...
That's right. That's
all you can say.
That's all you can say, mate.
And I feel so much better.
That's great. That's great. Well, to be fair, you've put yourself under some...
Well, yeah.
And I may have put you under a little bit of pressure at times throughout this campaign, but...
Yeah. I tell you, on the golf course, I'm either going to be hitting them 350 yards or I'm going to be asleep.